Right, so hey guys, what is going on? My name is BBHAX and welcome to today's video. Today's video is just going to be a quick reaction video to Yorkshire Bird, Galway Girl cover by Paul Barlington, I want to say. I'm just going to quickly disclose that the audio is going to sound very crap because of the fact that my headphones are broken. So it'd be dual sounding and it'll be really disturbing. So I'm just going to record the system audio using my microphone too. So I don't know how good it's going to sound, but let's watch it. It's only a 2-minute long video, so we should all be good there.
Hey up! Why is Ed Sheeran singing about Irish birds? The man's from Yorkshire. Should be singing about Yorkshire birds, shouldn't he? Like this. She played darts in local club. She liked her pints and she liked her grub. I shook her by hand, I said, hey up love. She said, never mind, hey up love. You buy me a bag of pork scratchings and then maybe, just maybe, we can think about having a chat.
That is not what a typical Yorkshire person would say. They'd be like, hey up. Now then, what's bloody weather like? Me knowing Yorkshire people, I know how I know the dialects, you see.
You twat. See, typical Yorkshire bird. I met her downtown. I met her downtown one night in local pub. She'd a pint of John's and a plate of Yorkshire puds. Yorkshire rose tattooed on her arm. She said, don't give me none of that shit and charm. Don't know what you've heard about Yorkshire birds. If you fuck me about, then I'll squash you like a turd. My dad's tasty, comes from manner. If you upset me, then he'll twat you with his spanner.
Or his air rifle, because that's typical as well.
She drank more than blokes on a Saturday night. She's hard as nails, she takes no shine. You kiss her on the neck, then she'll probably bite. Trust me, you wouldn't want to fight with this feisty little Yorkshire bird.
Yeah, because she'd probably, like I say again, get her dad to come out, shoot you with a shotgun, then they'll bury you in mines, so.
This feisty little Yorkshire bird. She beat me at darts, she beat me at pool. She used to come here when she should have been at school.
That sounds like more of a Manchester thing. Just typical, let's just wag the lesson, go get shagged behind McDonald's. But then again, this is talk about Yorkshire people, not Manchester, so we'll leave that. I might try and do my own version of this about Manchester.
She gets pissed and falls off a stool, shouting random bollocks to random tunes.
As the feeling grows, he brings flesh in my bones. When love is dead, like my dad, I love an angel sister. And through it, offers me a condom. Love and affection, wherever I ride, down the waterfall, wherever it may take me. Another life will break me. She won't forsake me. I'm loving just instead.
A pounding jukebox off she go, playing her guitar to status quo. Like a child off his tits on Harry Bow. She shouts shocking but she thinks she's Kylie Minogue. A pounding jukebox off she go, playing her guitar to status quo. Like a child off his tits on Harry Bow.
They wouldn't be off the tits on Haribo's, it'd be off the tits on like 1-piece sweets. No, do you want me to tell you a story? I know somebody who remembers getting 4 things of fish and chips for £1. Now that clearly wasn't in this millennium. So yeah, and that caused a massive argument. That's nothing to do with Haribo's.
I'll tell you something. I used to be able to go swimming, get a bus there and back, fish and chips, and can of Coke for under £1 when I were a kid. Yeah, bloody, you couldn't get that for under 30 now. Jesus Christ almighty.
She's shocking but she thinks she's Kylie Minogue.
Kylie Minogue sounds bloody shit as well, so, you know.
She'll chew you up and spit you out. She'll make
yeah, because she'd sit there and hold your mouth open and like force them down. This song should be more about the Yorkshire men more than Yorkshire women. Just putting that out there.
You've been warned, don't mess her about. She won't think twice about getting the clout.
Oh, going back to like the 60s and whipping you with a ruler or a whip.
A feisty little Yorkshire bird. She's a feisty little Yorkshire bird. I think you're ta-ta.
So yeah, that's my not really very much to talk about there. But I just needed a quick video because this is Thursday that I'm recording this, so I need to edit, render, upload, thumbnail and all that lot for this. And I have to do it by 12 tomorrow, so that's good. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by leaving a big fat like on it. If you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. So yes, I'm BBHAX.
And I shall see you in next video. Ta-ta.